Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ben here. Now in today's video guys, I want to take you along with me to Calgary Zoo. Now this is known as the second most visited zoo in Canada. It's very hot, it's burning right now, and I'll try my best to record as much as I can. It's 30 degrees, I don't know, 30 degrees Celsius. I don't know if you can see it, right? Today is Saturday, it's packed, and yeah, so we're here. Well, to park here you need to pay $14, 14 bucks for the parking, and the ticket to get in, I think it's around $30-35. Yeah, so that's it. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys very soon. Okay, now time to go pay for the ticket now. So this is what you see when you first got to the zoo. Yeah, you have this house here of different animals, and that's where we're going to pay for the ticket. So stay tuned guys, I'll see you inside. I just want to go, I don't want to disturb people when paying the ticket, paying for the ticket, and I'll see you inside. So we're here. Just one ticket there, please.
All right. One for the day will come to $52.45. Would you like to add $1 in support of wildlife conservation?
No, for now.
No worries.
Yeah.
And whenever you're ready on the pin pad.
Okay.
And may I have a postal code? And there you are, receipt on top.
Beautiful, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too, take care. Okay. So I just paid for my ticket. Now I'm walking to the main entrance. It's Saturday, and as you can see, it's packed. I love this cool entrance. So I came from there. I love the lights on both sides. Looking so cool. All right, so we finally in. So this is what you get when you get into the entrance. You have this shop here on the left, souvenir shops. If you want to grab anything here from the zoo, you can grab one. So we're gonna explore the shop at the very end. Well, where's my sunglasses? That's what I need. And we going this way first. So you have Wild Canada on the left and Prehistoric Park. What's on this one here? Okay guys, we're in now. Let the adventure begin. So stay tuned, and yeah, let's explore some animals together.
They like to make nests or lion boxes and stuff like that on site.
Yeah, it was on site.
No, where did that go?
go this side too.
Hey, Amelia, come on.
I'm just a fluffy moth, ready to fall and take it off. I'm just a little brown bat, and cool of eating a flower pie. Wings to the left and wings to the right. We'll be pollinating through the day and night, so we can help the plants to grow upright. Here we go. It's time to do the pollen dance. Okay. Woohoo! We got a bat. We gotta do the pollen dance. Oh, I really hope I see a bat. Oh, that would be so cool. I do. Gotta do the pollen dance. There's even butterflies. Gotta do the pollen dance.
So first up, the African Savannah. Ah, those turtles. Okay, they're all hiding from people, I guess.
Right here. Look at the wagon buddy, look. That's where I came from. And time to move on to the next step. Okay.
BKidiams embassy. British embassy, active. $1 million. Parce que je suis là. Non, j'ai pas envie. J'ai pas envie.
Mais ça c'est Embassy, ma santé, elle veut pas $1000.
Ma santé, elle est plus génie.
Ma vie.
$1 million, je suis malade.
Eh, voilà, parce que c'est vrai.
Okay, we got lions on this side. I'm trying to see if I can get one, if I can get a better view of the lions on this side. Okay. Shooting under the tree.
Oh, he's beside the rock. You see Marcher kind of behind the tree? Yeah, thanks, Roman.
Southern ostrich and East African grey ground crane. Very far away, can't really get them properly.
Well, it's because they all just break. You want to go in with him? Okay.
Checking with you guys. I'm still exploring the African savannah. So I did a one tour, and then now I'm going to the next step. So these are the ostrich that I couldn't see from the other side, and you have the giraffe on the other side where I came from with the eye pose. Okay, now we're going to explore the African rainforest. Don't know what they have inside there. Let's go ahead and have a look.
You maybe wear one once.
I'll come back for the gorilla after. They're getting their food ready, so they're locked up now.
Maybe not real.
The one back there. Is it real?
Oh, law and order.
Shit, that's cool.
It's a real one, yeah.
Weird.
Look at that. Technology, eh?
Yeah.
It's real.
Very cold. Drink the water.
So?
Drink the water in here. Oh, it's on the wall, yeah. See it there.
Yeah, you got that, I'm not sure.
It's not moving. Oh, that one's
Those crocodiles were
I don't want to be your entertainment today.
Let's go, guys. I'm a twin. Right?
Okay, looks like the gorilla is tired of seeing people and is trying to find a shade. It's too hot today. Probably gonna come back for gorillas after. So let's carry on and see what we can find on the other side of the zoo. Yeah.
Look for those little yellow birds. So fly right up inside them. They look fun. You see those little guys with the pink heads there?
Kitamba Cafe. Okay, we're not going to the cafe. We're still exploring for now. Let's go to the other side.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
Dang. I'm like, so I only learned about these stories like right a year ago. She says, oh, how do you see the healing? I said, you don't really like wreck myself. I said, it's in a little story. I've just always been. Oh, God.
Okay, I was gonna leave this garden at last, but it looks like I'm not gonna come back this way. I'm just gonna record the garden as well. They have this lovely garden inside as well. And let's go have a look and see what it looks like inside. Yeah, you can see the flowers already. I need to take this off. Guess we should start from this side. Got the VR on that side. If you wanna enjoy some VR, you go that way, and that's the garden. Tropical garden from the look of it. And there's another side of the garden on this side here. The garden has two pavilions, one on the one side that I came from, and then another one on this one where you have all these butterflies flying around. Petronas Getaway to Asia. Okay. So what can you find on this side here? Thanks. On the way to see the tiger this time, so hopefully we get a chance to see it, because all of them are trying to find in the shade and hide themselves, so fingers crossed. So man, this place is huge, man. Keep on walking around and not even done yet. So what do we have here? Okay guys, I'm back at the entrance again. This is where I came from when I first got here. Time to freshen up and then refresh myself. They have this fan, the one I'm gonna use right now to
I wanted to go to the red.
Well, we'll have to come back another day, buddy. It's just getting too hot. Sorry.
so alright.
Guys, you want popsicle? Can you go there and choose one? Okay.
Now time to hit Canada Wild. Let's go have a look at some bears and I don't know what they have on this side, but anyways, we'll see it together when we get to the place. So stay tuned, guys. Oops. Okay, mountain goats. Is there any goats around here? Nope. So I'm finally here. I was looking to see what a real bear looks like, white bears mainly, and I finally got to my destination. Now, let's check this out, guys. So polar bears, all in this section here. Okay guys, this is what a polar bear paw looks like. This is how big they look. Jeez, these animals are huge, man. And that's the prints on the floor or on the ground. If you're wondering what they look like, there they are.
Come on. Let's go see what's over here.
Anybody. Your instinct would be to run. See, look.
Those are also brown, blonde, cinnamon, and
This is
blueberry.
what I saw when I was here last.
No, you didn't. You're making up stories.
I'll show you on my phone.
So is that the grizz or is that's the grizzly?
I think there's one of each in each.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Daddy, look, I'm standing on this log.
Ditch fight.
Daddy!
Yeah.
I paid for blood.
Mommy, look, I'm standing on
Big gladiators. Chicken?
Also gives us a great view of that wonderful beehive right there.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Wait.
Penguin plunge. Check it out and see what's inside.
Hello. Oh, there's another friend. He's looking right at you.
Okay, it's now time to go home. This is the end of it. So we had a time to explore the zoo. We explored different sites, and I was here at the main shop, souvenir shops when you come in, gift and souvenir shops when you come in, the very entrance. So yeah. Now guys, thank you so much for watching the full video. I'm exhausted. It's time to go home now and try to chill. Today is 31 degrees Celsius so far, and it's roasting. So I hope you enjoyed the full video. So if you did, you know what to do. Like, comment, and see you guys on the next one. Peace out.